Grilled, fresh, protein-packed, lean. The chicken fast food industry has spent billions convincing you their food is the healthy alternative. And if you're one of the millions of Americans choosing chicken over burgers because it seems like the smarter choice, you need to hear this. Healthier than fried doesn't mean healthy. And today, I'm exposing 5 chicken chains that have mastered the art of selling you nutrition theater while delivering something very different. Stick around because what you discover might completely change where you eat. Let's get into it. Before we dive into the rankings, you need to understand how this works. We're not talking about taste. We're talking about the gap between what these restaurants promise and what they actually deliver. I'm judging each chain on 5 criteria. Protein per calorie, because protein is the whole reason you're choosing chicken in the first place. Sodium load, because even if something looks healthy, excessive sodium destroys that benefit. How hard are they selling health compared to what's actually on your plate? The bigger that gap, the higher they rank on this list. Let's start at number 5. Number 5, KFC. KFC knows their reputation. They're famous for fried chicken, and they're not apologizing for it. But somewhere along the way, corporate decided they needed a health play. Enter Kentucky Grilled Chicken. The marketing is brilliant. They position it as the lighter option, the lean protein alternative for people who want KFC without the guilt. And on the surface, it works. Grilled chicken sounds healthy, but let's look at what you're actually getting. A single piece of KFC grilled chicken breast contains 220 calories and 38 grams of protein. Not bad, right? But here's where things get interesting. That same piece of chicken packs 730 milligrams of sodium. That's nearly a third of your daily limit in one piece of chicken. The reason? Heavy seasoning. KFC's grilled chicken isn't lightly seasoned with herbs and spices. It's brined in a sodium solution, then coated with a seasoning blend that's designed to mimic the flavor intensity of their fried options. You're trading breading for salt, and that trade-off isn't nearly as beneficial as they want you to believe. But sodium is just the beginning. Try building an actual meal at KFC that qualifies as balanced. Your grilled chicken comes with sides. Mashed potatoes with gravy, coleslaw swimming in mayonnaise, mac and cheese, biscuits. Every side option is either starch-heavy or drowning in fat and sodium. There's virtually no way to construct a genuinely healthy meal because the entire menu is built around comfort food, not nutrition. KFC ranks number 5 because they're not really trying to trick you. The health option exists, but it's buried under a menu that makes balanced eating nearly impossible. The gap between promise and delivery is there, but it's the smallest on this list. Number 4, Popeyes. Popeyes entered the health game late, and it shows. Their answer to the grilled chicken trend was blackened chicken. No breading, just chicken seasoned with Cajun spices and grilled. The marketing plays up flavor without frying, and for customers looking for something lighter, blackened chicken seems like the obvious choice. But let's examine what blackened really means at Popeyes. A blackened chicken tender at Popeyes contains about 170 calories and 26 grams of protein. Solid numbers. But that tender also delivers 760 milligrams of sodium. One tender. If you order the standard 3-piece meal, you're looking at over 2,200 milligrams of sodium before you even touch your sides or drink. That's more sodium than you should consume in an entire day, and you haven't even finished lunch. The blackening process itself sounds healthy. Cajun spices, high heat, no oil. But Popeye's version involves a spice blend so heavy in salt that the sodium content rivals their fried options. The chicken is also marinated in a solution designed to enhance moisture retention, which is corporate speak for sodium injection. You're not avoiding salt by ordering blackened. You're just avoiding breading. But here's the real problem. Popeyes offers almost no balanced meal options. Their sides are red beans and rice, Cajun fries, mashed potatoes, coleslaw, and biscuits. Every single option is either fried, starch-based, or loaded with fat. There's no vegetable option that hasn't been deep-fried or drowned in butter. Try ordering a healthy meal at Popeyes, and you'll realize the blackened chicken is a health island in a sea of nutritional disasters. The menu isn't designed for health. It's designed for indulgence with one token lighter option so they can claim they offer choices. Popeyes ranks number 4 because the gap between blackened and healthy is wider than they want you to believe. Less breading doesn't equal more nutrition. It just means fewer calories from one source, while maintaining all the problems from another. Number 3, Chick-fil-A. Now we're getting into controversial territory. Chick-fil-A has cultivated a reputation as the healthier fast food choice. Their grilled chicken menu is extensive. Grilled nuggets, grilled chicken sandwiches, grilled chicken cool wraps. They've built an entire health halo around the word grilled, and millions of customers have bought into it completely. But when you examine the actual nutrition, the story gets complicated. A Chick-fil-A grilled chicken sandwich contains 390 calories and 29 grams of protein. That's decent. But it also packs 880 milligrams of sodium, and that's before any sauce. The grilled nuggets, which parents love ordering for their kids as a healthy option, contain 25 grams of protein, but also 620 milligrams of sodium for just an 8-piece order. The sodium levels aren't accidental. Chick-fil-A marinates their grilled chicken in a solution that enhances flavor and moisture. But that solution is salt-heavy. Every grilled option on their menu carries a sodium load that undermines the health benefits. But the real sabotage happens with the sauces. Chick-fil-A has trained customers to never eat chicken without sauce. Polynesian sauce, Chick-fil-A sauce, honey-roasted barbecue. These sauces are liquid sugar and sodium. A single packet of Chick-fil-A sauce adds 140 calories and 170 milligrams of sodium. Most people use 2 or 3 packets per meal. Suddenly, your healthy grilled chicken sandwich is carrying an extra 300 to 400 calories and pushing your sodium intake well over 1,500 milligrams for a single meal. The sides present another problem. Waffle fries are the default, and while Chick-fil-A offers alternatives like the side salad or fruit cup, the majority of customers stick with fries. Even the side salad comes with dressing packets that add sugar and fat. Building a truly balanced meal at Chick-fil-A requires actively resisting their menu design, which pushes customers toward higher calorie, higher sodium combinations. Chick-fil-A ranks number 3 because their health halo is so strong that customers genuinely believe they're making healthy choices when the numbers tell a different story. Grilled is better than fried, but it's not a health menu. It's a less unhealthy menu. And that distinction matters. The gap between perception and reality is significant, and Chick-fil-A's marketing has successfully widened that gap. Number 2, El Pollo Loco. El Pollo Loco has built their entire brand identity around fire-grilled chicken. The name literally means the crazy chicken, and their marketing emphasizes fresh, Mexican-inspired flavors with a health-conscious approach. They position themselves as the smarter choice for people who want fast food without the guilt. The fire-grilled chicken is the star, and it's presented as a lean, protein-forward option that delivers authentic flavor and nutrition. But when you dig into the actual meals, the health promise falls apart quickly. A 2-piece fire-grilled chicken meal at El Pollo Loco contains about 220 calories and 35 grams of protein per serving. Great numbers, but that meal comes with sides, and this is where El Pollo Loco's health claims collapse. The standard sides are pinto beans, rice, coleslaw, and mashed potatoes. The rice alone adds 180 calories and 510 milligrams of sodium. The pinto beans contribute another 200 calories and 580 milligrams of sodium. Before you finished your meal, you're looking at over 600 calories and 1,800 milligrams of sodium. And that's assuming you don't add any of their salsas or sauces, which add even more sodium and sugar. The rice-heavy plates are particularly problematic. El Pollo Loco promotes their chicken bowls as healthy, balanced meals. But these bowls are predominantly rice with minimal vegetables and heavy amounts of cheese and sour cream. A chicken avocado bowl contains 560 calories, but only 34 grams of protein. The rest is carbohydrates and fat from rice, cheese, and avocado. That's not a protein-forward meal. That's a carb delivery system with some chicken on top. Vegetable density is almost non-existent. While other fast casual chains have embraced vegetables as a way to add volume and nutrition without calories, El Pollo Loco sticks with traditional Mexican-American sides that are starch and bean-heavy. You can add side salads, but they're small and come with dressings that negate any health benefit. Building a genuinely balanced plate requires ordering off-menu and customizing heavily, which most customers don't do. El Pollo Loco ranks number 2 because their fire-grilled health halo is incredibly strong. But the actual meals are unbalanced and sodium-heavy. Fire-grilled chicken is genuinely healthier than fried, but when you bury it in rice, beans, cheese, and sodium-heavy sauces, you've destroyed the advantage. The gap between their marketing and their nutrition is massive, and most customers have no idea they're being sold a health illusion. Number 1, Zaxby's. And here we are. Number 1, Zaxby's. If you've never heard of them, they're a southern chicken chain that's expanding rapidly. They've positioned themselves as the protein-forward alternative to traditional fast food, and their customers genuinely believe they're making smarter choices. But when you examine what Zaxby's actually serves, you realize it's one of the most aggressive health illusions in the entire industry. Let's start with their most popular item, the chicken fingers. Zaxby's promotes these as high-protein, satisfying meals, perfect for anyone who needs fuel. A 5-finger meal contains about 1,360 calories and 66 grams of protein. That protein number sounds impressive until you realize you're also consuming 3,440 milligrams of sodium and 105 grams of fat. That's more than 2 days' worth of sodium and an entire day's worth of fat in one meal. The protein is there, but everything else is a nutritional disaster. The sauce culture at Zaxby's makes everything worse. Their signature Zax sauce is beloved by customers, but it's essentially mayonnaise with seasoning. A single serving adds 180 calories and 19 grams of fat. Most customers use multiple servings per meal. Tongue torch sauce, nuclear sauce, wimpy sauce. Every option is either mayonnaise-based or sugar-heavy. The sauces don't just add calories, they dominate them. A meal that started as chicken fingers becomes a vehicle for delivering sauce, and the nutritional profile reflects that shift. Nearly every chicken option is breaded and fried. The grilled options are limited and buried in the menu. Most customers don't even know they exist. And even when you order grilled chicken, it comes with the same sauce-heavy, low-nutrient sides. Crinkle fries, Texas toast, coleslaw swimming in mayonnaise. There's no vegetable option. There's no balanced plate option. The entire menu is designed around fried chicken and sauces, with protein mentioned prominently to create the illusion of health. Nutrient density is virtually zero. A typical Zaxby's meal delivers protein, fat, and sodium in massive quantities, but almost no vitamins, minerals, or fiber. You're filling up on calories without nourishing your body. It's the opposite of what health-conscious eating should accomplish, but Zaxby's marketing makes customers believe they're doing something positive for their bodies. Zaxby's ranks number 1 because the gap between their protein-focused marketing and their actual nutritional delivery is the widest on this list. They've successfully convinced customers that high protein equals healthy, while serving meals that are nutritionally bankrupt in every other category. The protein is there, but everything else is missing. And that makes them the king of overpromise and underdeliver. So what's the pattern here? These 5 chains aren't lying to you. Not technically. They're framing. They're using words like grilled, fresh, protein-packed, and lean to create health associations without actually delivering balanced nutrition. Chicken has become a health shortcut, a way for chains to claim they offer healthier options without fundamentally changing their menu design. The sauces carry the calories. The sodium replaces actual flavor development, and health exists only in comparison to fried food, not as an absolute standard. These restaurants sell the idea of health, not the nutrition itself. And until customers start demanding actual transparency, actual balanced meals, and actual nutritional value beyond just protein content, nothing will change. If this video changed how you see these chains, share it with someone who still thinks grilled automatically means healthy. Subscribe if you want the truth about what you're really eating. Next time, we'll cover who actually does chicken right. Thanks for watching, and remember, read the nutrition facts, not just the marketing. Your body will thank you.